Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for the church ba Melody TV so. Na baby a wutie me free and day. Bede nyame asese o de enko share nsa na yetimi atotomu a besi ne. Eti ne ekoso ewo ye man Ghana mu yefa election petitions ho ne ekoso court. Ene ne ye expect say ebesi ewo ye nim. Kakra me matie ni ma follow ma hwe a akoso a besi ene. Na me pese me de me madwenkyere eba na nyina adwendwene ho na yehwe the way forward. Me bekan me madwenkyere na me ba bekyere. Dise onia o tie na baby anko yi amawa na wo so wakyere wadwene. Utimi ye audio ni bi de koto ho ma nyina eso etie na eso afa ba ewom ana se utimi comment na wakyere baby a o feel se di onua ne kan na wanka ne ye enye gidigidi ne yekoye nim na ene se mfu am pese me ne mo edi ho abobo no sheda no so sa didi kan ye di ntina ye de election petition ana se ye de abato ho nsunsuanso ho nko ade ye se Supreme Court na ye mfa nko ne yenkodi sasem no ho edi ntina eno nko ade wo constitution mi se Supreme Court nko na eto abana se wo se wo nte ase a ho nko na wo se wo de ko a wo ntimi nko starting free nketo mu na wo mfa mfro a nko du Supreme Court ne mu eno nko ade se fa ko direct eno ye one eno two anyambia se udi election udi abato wo nsusuanso ko quarter ayana ye ko se it depended ya wo de akọ said the Muhammad 80 and I said in 2012 for the NTN. I am the course say you could lawyer or ye good. And I said the strategy yeka I'll beat him their winning at the end. And in these two scenarios, no, you were called to one say you could establish the no credibility or winning about one another. Near two. And near Tosumi and Sam a person in the more a share no. Your friend is saying NDC in some omo kan ni nyina bomu no de kokoto e fa omo parliamentary seat a no more challenges omo wini ni chinchi mo musa de je ni nyina kan asem na yedie no ana say yedi we wie no ansa na yedie no I don't know minim say ni isi code here I just want to find out any ne ka ho a ene be discuss nsem no bi wo mu a bia yekọ yanim no ebebe mama yaka ho asem nti yeka se ye sha ase a ana se me hye ne me be kana se a ya to aba awie na ya to aba no wie no NDC for say before electoral commissioner ebe declare winner say na do na win no they had issues in the strong room. Omo yes and kamameno and to no bona omo deliberate on that issue. So now when those issues are settled, na according to so na beto abontin. According to them, omo no more strong room ne can we. Mamene ntie na oba abontin say oba be declare. Now in the course of the declaration, the minu nyina ye hwe ye. Oba ye oba kan say e ma ye to ye. Omo na ye expect say nko beto abanye. Omo to ye ni. Ma say ye nie odi nkunim according to ono onie the otoso mienu onie eni omom totoso akosi du mienu a stand there na according to the first declaration oye no o de share say obe declare winner no na emumu no emma no nyene nyina na aba be kanensa aka one constituency a emeka nensa sa constituency no so wo hwe ma wanya ni nyina bi di ni sa wacheche mu obi ade awanya o de sa constituency wo kra vote ni nyina eka John Dramani Mahama de ho a John Dramani Mahama anase entimi nsesa results no Yetie bia ne obebo ne die na Danko Akufo-Addo no ono na adi nkonim oka we say no na me nkola adwen kire me say fine a situation a etimi si da bia e wo daily lives mo ne mu no o se unya sa constituency ho no vote no de be ka ho eventually ansa na wetimi gazette aka say na ekọ ye na say ni figure obi anya no finally. Because even though waka said the nyina akwa kama hama ho which you knew say we are there as a vote in the bar enye ni nyina na ye be kama hama ho ene ni pado do obo din say omo na ewo ho aye expect so mbeto aba no ho no enye omo nyina so ne ba beto aba but ye betimi a project aka so okay fine na nya say the say kura kan ho kura na nya dia betimi asesa man ya te ase but under that same circumstance no untimi emma ye figure ne awubo ne din se wadi nkonim no edidi nkonim ana percentage a untimi ma percentage emfa mama hama na untimi mfa percentage so emma Akufo-Addo awoni aba no. You can only call figures, you can only mention figures to us say na nya out of so and so voter aba and I say na mahama nya out of so and so voter aba so that subsequently no say say ho vote no be ka ho a wetimi ama a percentage and another de win here because we den as a vote no be ka ho a e be sesa no ma ba me no mienu de ehwe wo TV so no ma me declare de no wie no op cancel na do anya 51 point something or this also na mahama so nya 47 points so and so or this also yemi bisa di o eni omo dia omo nkeka ho dia o list ye nyina de be si form no sata mana ne nsanka the Chiman South de na o kan ye no o ye dem wonya se ohun se na do nya 51 plus mahama so nya 47 plus eni omo dia keka ho the fact is that we can say we dey become mahama ho kra ensisa aba no eno no emma wo kwan ma wontimi ma wo bi percentage e wo mu se waka sa de anke kwan bi so ne betimi age atomu but we can only accept the woka no when na one my figure until say and one my percentage be until say we sabeka say how aba no wache obi ade agu ni so na finally we decide now we buy na be my 51 plus no afi na wo sesa no nti sakrai ne baya ma ne koye se no adi im se bibi kakra wo nti maame na wo ye sa de no brada be kire kwa wo fa so a utim di nya the figure na wo arrive at to declare na do say ono ye win out the elections nke tie se moni bi ani akire na wa wo feli se utrimu fine na de course na wo be declare ya o si ye nkokot NDC before mbe kokot no they try to win the court of public opinion a year demonstration and na pesa ne kire omo ye demonstration fa ko radio so cheche no be bremu and omo nya support ne say oh am for to omo chi say omo court now they went to court no mo file omo case chachuchi kata ehun ni say maami eye wu na wo constitution di tumi ahye won sa say e to aba ni wia eye presidential no open na wo tumi say obetimi declare de wa wini enye tumi ye dia ma wo say wo declare ne wa wini pe wo choice ni mo pe abana ya to na wo kenkan ye no percentage ya chi hye wo constitution mu say e wo say ni odi nkunim no enya e cross sa percentage no ana more ansana etimi abodi no de me ameti here me no ka say meka on the day even if I have all the figures with me body kura na eno enkusi aga because tumi no nyame ni kura se dun ketia kasa mahama weni a enkosi aga because tumi nya ni kura no nti wo na ye hwe wanim na wo na wo de figure no beto dwa nti mi won semfu amakoma kodumi enu bi judges ansane be concept no so no me pese mama me na betena edwa yi mu na me bisebisa ne sansem na me na yi ano o yi ano wi a yigire no so na de atu anamo de akoye ni mo kesi ni mo ana se e bi kura nya me ya aduma obeyi ano be wie no na bibia eto atwa din ena mo ko gina na mo ba na mo se ma me na ma mo answer say oh mon ka gina papa no se ma wo ha na ho na ye den a obenya akwanya atotoma no ma file a witness statement obenya akwanya atotoma no ntino emre no so se ototoma no box ni mo na wo bisa sanse mfua no na chachu e de nsem no to nchen say as the court pleases. Now any starting here omo from witness say no kati aba no to so aba miensa mu nyina ba akoto ampa sorry eye cross examination na menu bo so sorry aye cross examination the bi omo ye cross examination na chachuchi kata te wono ohwe omo na odi nsem bi twatwam se o sei na call ye ntino me pese nke yade we betwam na court na bo agu. I think about 4 applications bi omo file here along the line ni nyina unanimously court no ebogu ye. Emu bi wo hono ma na ye challenges o we di o senka ye call in favor but obende ye ko yenim. Normally no ya na ye kase the end in a justify means no. Enye se ye bogu ni ntino. Chese case no na o lusu. It could be say a bit chat to okra no. Na sem ba ko pe a court no de be ma no na odidi asem na hu konim. Nti yekeka bibi ewie ya witness otoso mi ensa bae. Wie no so on the wie case. Ti say ye drew omo toto no ne witnesses ano no so omo so di omo de beba. Said the omo di kan file no. And papa edi betum said that be. Per the evidence na ye nya no. Yehu ni say mon sem no sheda ni mu abe ha ye wama mama na betena box ni mu. Nti yeso ye close your case. Ti judges no nyina de ye witness statement ni the battle court no. Ene momo so mo de na ye bisebisa momo de no. No mo fa njeje asem. Eti fu nti mi ye power. Ifi ye koro na nsem no wono. Se mo be kaya emra amenuvo sorry ya o decide we say to mu say pe. One of the judges minim ni din ebemu try say nko be kanta no ne nsem o kan ye ne say na sema wo kan die na say mo di kan file witness statement say mo be testify o court ntia de nti na afi na wo kan we sana menuvo ko feda ko kotu be bia ya tro ho say wo ho kwan say utimi yesa according to ono interpretation it was CI 36-3 hono mona na omo banta wo no ho na court ho yedim ena chachu sorry no start say oka the first way o use ya no mo feel say derogatory no say ma me no running away from the cross examination ena chief justice mo use sa word no use evading say ati omo twe ho we ba no be bisa chachu kata explaining media na me minti asia na me wo na chachu kata can on the day no one say or say when the witness elect not to, what that means to me minti asia ne say said na chachu can say from the case management no mo kai pass NDC MPP se chachu di bibi betwam say instead of you be file a witness statement no you be say court no ye we ma ya nsa ya file a witness statement na amenuvo ni akoto ampa side no ma pressure unya de oye no nko file na witness statement ye krampo ya file ye de ya file ye de ono mpeso be file no yesi ma court no share NDC so mo so me file mo witness statement. What that means to me is say witness statement no very important. Say omo file omo petition and say fu omo de beto court no serve omo ye be di assembly amo no ye EC any MPP no ma mo hu nsemfu a NDC de beto court na mo gina no so de file de mo so mo ba court amba beka nsem na ma churo de be kanta omo petition no ma de aba no se mo ba beka no was say nipa kro no bibia wo do sa chance san ye bia no on the day witness now statement now the buy no was so betena daka ni mu ye to wano ye to hu say de wo tro buy no eno na obetena daka ni ma obeka na. That is the understanding of a witness statement. Unfo wano keke enchro ana unfa unsa keke enchro ko to court say nsem na omde buy no de esu e ka fa hu ni say sane ye no dia mimi nkola adwunu kirem say eni ni wo zenka court no esa ma lawyers ni ko ginigina ho no mo say omo kwa kwa argue because omo nsem ni omo de akoto because se ka court no hwe answers both sides no e de back counter the petition de buy na nko mo de ajeje. We didn't need to argue, but once you open the floor for argument now man nipa mi ensa betena mu as witnesses ma other side no interrogate you omo no e na je mensa so the witness statement na o de beto court ho no no e was say finally no betena box ni mu ni to no no the answer ni e say obeka bibi contrary to the austerity here nana cross examination according to me madwene there sana ekireme papa edi saa asem etum ya judges ni nyina before the ruling ne beba no ekoye hye se de minu nyina ye hweye no ene wi ase omudi share da mudi da minu to ntem se ekira ye ma next day ay Thursday e ba ne di muayaba. It tells you how hot and I say how important and that's how issue to the judges and to the petitioners. Now, obvious per the banter between the judges and Chachuchi Kata say, even if Obikra ebe rule in favor of Chachuchi Kata Krana, it was going to be maybe a 1 or 2, and I say it was going to be unanimous against Chachu. We knew that. Now, omoba no modi omo ruling beto abonte no. Ghanaians disagreed with the Supreme Court. Say no, we didn't care obvious. Or some mutimi prima me betra box ni mu na etito na no nfa nkosi a omo say according to law. Ubetia MPP for come say the lawyers of the petitioner no should speak like lawyers. Because some of the law and the year juma na ma judges no follow them. I have said this as a fufu. And we are the course on America. Say, become a junior has say. Court 1 year one. You will say a pedian strategy can our debate winning a seminal. And I say, you per se establish a no credimuni near Udin Kunimu and Kasankasa Wabatu animo. Say, in another, ye affirmo commissioner number no may affirmo or court or no be abontonium. Say, this as soon as a Mahama Swa. Or ye be kan court ho and I say a rebrand ye be call and I say ye be talk about fufura ye enunti ne ye court ho and I say obi strategy bi a ode ba be win case no me ma dwen kire me say se ye ka se bibi ko Supreme Court enye saa na tie ye wo court nkitwa wo ho no mu ansa na wodru Supreme Court me understanding to the reason say ye wo Supreme Court wo ho ne say asema court nketwa no mu no wode koto ho no mu a wan hwa no mu ani ani ni yi amfa ne be bia o se no kwenda amfa nto ni nti no ene ye kan say election petition ko ade e wo say ye de ko Supreme Court straight ye mfa mfrase ho no bi kasa wante ase wo let's say circuit court and say high court wa appeal the Supreme Court we dey ma so ne de koto. There's a reason to that fact, and one of the reasons in ne say Supreme Court for no amateur wo mrade mu say e ho no omo discretion in the DSM ye ka so be a lord nyame mfa e onfa mra enkatakata nsem so e lord na omo si na namu wa asase so na ye di tumi ahwo mo nsam wa be lord no so omo representing nyame wa asase so amaye no sa nyame kro no a ye di sa omo ni tumi ni bia ye twa bi di ama wo no omuaten because say we na semu nye dede enso mra no okotu mra no yie ntino ye ma ne nkofri omo no ye fa ne say omo ye mpanyimfo omo adwene mu do to the extent say be bia no kra ne da no e ho ne ye de to say de ye bube say panyini ntwantro nti wo frofri nkutu ani mu ade koduru soro ho no mu a ye de asembe to wanima wo de to be bia wo say da ma o man no nyina ye boto ye yem, especially when it is election petition. Me imagine no. Sana me metiase. Now, say ye ni court wo say ye ko kire a good lawyer who is the best lawyer in the court or in Ghana and I say whatever ye nyina betem na. No more rather no we are there to establish who really won the elections there. Then I think say enye chachu and I say NDC no say omo calling on Jamensa to come and sit in the seat in the witness box for cross examination. Me imagine kire me say the Supreme Court will also establish who won the elections there. They should be rather the people to call or to order the woman to come and sit in the box for cross-examination. Because when you did to me na shawunsa, at the end of the day, no, a juma okudi, no, a party to it say on tiasie, and or the Abba Supreme Court. You see. NDC amfa figure bia nkwankwanko prove otherwise say the Jamensa kan no omusu kuda different figure ansana me ko ho no yemfa ne se eye no kresa se da me no nyina nim se ndisi amfa anko eno nkyere se omodi nsem no koto koto no koto anka se mo amfa amanti no mo nsem ne yabo agu si no bi wo ho mo yesu yenye ti se judges ne kakra me pese me ye me ho se de ase me ye judge ketua bi wo ha no se wo pese wa giu at this time say one for prove bi a ma kire say o figure bi a ono de be ma contrary to the is in use ya se no nti na wo court ho na one for amade a asem ni wo se gi du a o so bi say na wo ba court wo si aboba ba wo na odi nkunim ne ye de ama we figure be na wo de ba ye kire say wo na odi nkunim ni fa to de ono de to no odi ba no one for bi amade ani asem ni wo se etena so. But if allowed the case to proceed to this state, this stage here, now feel now the whole baby and say, oh, the evidence, the burden of proof, no. Also, the was all now be proved. Say, I'm passing. Say, why you saying, you know, Sadia in the case, you know, a hollow. You see, when you do that in the Supreme Court, and as I said, this is way free Supreme Court to back. It was crucial issues we see in Mohusana. A certain president be a member of say Ghana, the moment in the Supreme Court in the ruling by Omukasa Jamensa will not come into the box on panel. A time bomber or Massetia. Yina yet if we are mutim or do you yina yet so Ghana. You see, there are so many ways to kill a cat. In 2012, NPP di omo di akoyi. Na Tuguba na presiding judge. No BNU sa Tuguba no side with NDC. O de mo hwe 2012 petition no ene de ekoso ene yi. Se de yi pa na hu se ase obi dictate the pace of this whole thing in court. At Tuguba time, ruling ni ba out no. Diverse opinion from those judges. Obi atro ni reasons antianka elections no senke ye cancel ma bi ne yekoto no fofo. Ene bi nim so kire se na hama na ba wini aba no. Afarijan ebetena box ni mu ebe afemo mahama se mahama na wini. Enye bibia na ko yie ma Afarijan was in the box. But on the day no, the presence there no a calm situation mo bia hu say yes. Papa ni declare mahama so na wini. Ampa ye friend court na kwotena ho akwa chirichiri ma kire se ono de any opinion che ne se mahama na wini ye. The way bibia ye din se na ye bias krampona Atuguba allowed the organizer of the elections to come and sit in the box for cross-examination. We since some now be kind ni nyina no ye de ye hu wo han se ye dodo a ye ti han de ye hu ni se mahama na win elections no. Enti edie pa na de Ghana for ebe omo nhye dan timrase na Supreme Court no wo ho to make decision for people who doesn't really understand the law. Say, oh, ampa o mame no obi antimi nhye ne ma ne metena daka ne mu na fe ne ye bekyekye mu akodi pa to the extent just to make the ordinary person understand the fact say obi antimi nhye mame ne metena akonwa ne mu. Mamu me yue mfi se bibi be si wo Ghana enye intellectuals of the law enye omo madwene mu do omra ne ho ne be kwakofa saade ne de aba ne ekoso between NDC ne MPP no NDC for tiase ne ekoso MPP for so tiase ne ekoso asiefo na entimra na se no mu de common sense na ye adwuma no mu Supreme Court judges no me madwene kire me se omo nam o represent omo things that they don't understand mo de madwene kese na mo makwadare mra ne mu no afi de mabe ya ba atan no ebe kire nso mo matiase no se mo ma se ne si di asem o lower court no sana mo ko di asem o mo hodia. Now there's no need for you guys to be at the top. Meti am team reasi madwene nyina kire me se amfa mra na anya adwuma na de mra to nchen ne ya kase wo Supreme Court about time mo nkire bebi ade ne da mo mfanto ho no mo a de nko bi anim ni se o senka mo na mo mama me ne betena box mu eto mama na no wia asemasa it could even be so judicial to mama na no a enko fa hwe mai kire se enya na nado na wini ye. But the fact is that mama na betena mama ya to na no asem ni bibia to atwa because ho ena dodo na follow eno na ye ordinary decision, ordinary person no can understand that no nim rabi article 1 ni ade no. Those people down there no, they don't understand. Those who can create confusion in the country no, these things they don't understand. And that is why, according to me, the Supreme Court, they are there rather for those people. The Supreme Court no who ni say ma me no nye obi o say man betra adaka nim. Nsem na ono actually ababe kanta de chachuchi kata mo de bae no. Yenyina no aso abra wo magina adaka nim yemi sasa bibia mfa sansem no. Chachuchi kata mo so chiro mo de bae o. Nso ni wi ase no. Ya mo nkrofo ababe tena box ni mu ni interrogate yo mo. Nti for fairness, me no me edu see Supreme Court a fairness na yepe. The fact is that my interrogate your microphone. We are here to establish who won the elections. So the lady should come into the box. No, so the witness statement. No, you do not know found. Chachuchika tabit me we are seeing bibia. So my meaning is so ni bibia or this Ghana maya. And one say judges move we must say fine. Chachu uye the obey bia, but they won't say na do na win elections. No. What will make or will bring peace? I don't think is the final ruling of the whole case, but it's rather allowing the woman to come into the witness box for that, just the cross-examination. That alone will settle peace in Ghana. But some shame say because any force society man better than box anymore. Germans are ordinary party to the petition. Jamensa is the organizer, was the organizer of the elections. And he owe a lot to say about what is being put on her. Say, oh yes. Infractions, the burden is on her to come and declare, say, Ampa, Nanadu, and the winning elections. Ma allow Masa de Nancy. Movie and a church say on Tias and Obe Sopina. Say, Honomona Mabuegu, Obe Sopina. Share reaction are the free presiding judge na your chief justice no. Wa yen na dwene say bibia to kata bebe bia no ontie omo decide say asem no ye bo bibia egu na ya fe mo na so na wini. Na say wa judge kro na no emra amanuvo edi sa asem we tu dwa no. Say one kasa utimi kanta no by saying what Chachuchi Kata was saying there. Na say munim say or some many better box anymore. Obi bia the American was saying we be uncle back to when Amenuvo stated say they were not going to allow the woman to they are no longer going to make Jamensa come into the box no. Muntie say one of the judges no kantano by saying say na someone filed that. Ma file witness statement that it didn't na the okasa. What that means is say the na Chachuchi Kata ekan na ye no kre. And so mabumani eguso na mode oman no akoye se obi antimi nye hwe ye ne di tumi na hye yensa ne ye exercise ye tumi the same thing na Jamensa akotena hokoye se NDC phone tumi nye hwe ye me ne di tumi na hye me se me na me electoral commissioner me na me wo tumi a me di be declare the awini nti me se na do na ekọ isi ye de ba kwa 2012 Angusiaga haso ba besi Angusiaga nti Edian I expect in 2024 elections. Me mamo some jovial incident be a C in 2010 World Cup. 2010 World Cup I call ya some moja nkobo penalty say no. Before the penalty, na some moja nkobo say no. Now about penalties I think 4 or 3 in the same tournament and now was before that one I was say no. Me observe was some moja from the first penalty or boy into the second penalty. The first one, Oboshe keeper on the right side. The third one, the second one, no Oboshe will keep on the left side. In the time of G ball ni free. The third penalty ni see na or Basha Medi a making record as a fair African country to cross to the semi-final. Or the ball ni 2 horn or G ball ni free guy in some now or the ball ni 2 horn. Me can't film as a mojan, but me, to me, as a mojan, or ye being Timmy Casso and naive, but I say, or you're so predictable, said me Timmy predict guy who said, boy, we are the best so. Me Tihana me name can be making, but me nim, dear that day no, me can't yan son a guy named Bobo na faso. Man Casso Bobo na say no, man Casso Bobo faso say, or boy to actually said, or what to know. But man, na me new motive or her born. Me predict baby a guy in the befa. And on my born so far, the middle one a boba. Then they ask me, say, a day tina, the idea that me who so Bobo na foul. And I'm say, me predicting from the first and second penalty your boy. I said, my try right, my try left. And she said, me commando. And I oyen is happy pepe. 2012, MPP the Omo by. You did some new year after 8 months. No? Almost say, the court to Kanye, Omo bon so. Some be fans are because court no akasa. 2020, we are here. You could do baby and so signals a free court hoban a man who say Mama Benya cry, sorry, and can on redraw case in the crowd. Young fan say, Quaco, ye say. Minka say, and I'm 2012 dear could see Mahama Diano. Ye Nimano and Okra Pepe and Yepe. It is only when an Okra near the animal and Untini Yintinian Okraman in Pie. Senokura wa ade nimu de o se tima nokura ni pie senokura ni pie na be ma peace abo man ni mu na next elections no yetimi de yewre a Supreme Court mu say oh ye Supreme Court no ya abatan yampa bibi anko yie na sa wo de ko hon mo mbe di ni periperi ye mu nti enko fa ntoko bia ma polling stations any those flashpoints e wo Ghana but rather no yakoye no say you say you yentie chachuchi kata oha adwen dodo ye manu me kire ne emra ne tie ye ne ye judges ye ne ye sisei. You see when you do this na ye wo say wo ye chachuchi kata na wo pese wo gu chachuchi kata di mu ase a situation na esi wo Cote d'Ivoire na judges ni dwane ba Ghana mo sa ko yo mo ko sesa o no the same thing betimi esi me kan shen crofo kutu passe omunko di boni bi but this is not making on. Sir, Lordship, your Lord, my Lord, no more can hold. A title or money to me, and this are title on the Amamu. My memo example be say, Obi your boss. That's a one casa would the respect man now who now friend said you boss. Said the air street boss here can you know. Onye boss obi bia mu but bia bibi mu nti hu ni say oh yeah what is her title no man na e fata no wo na wo de man no na wo ye no boss ana ni boss no a wo ye no du baby na say one wo kasa na wo ye na adwen say obe refer to that boss na wo de man say hey o boss ne wo kasa no mi wa na on boss obi bia mu e title a wo na wo de man no badwimba bia ni ho no mu a title a me na me de man wo who started say who the sa title no e be bulimia na withdraw my dear umfa madwuma mu untua me ka obibia mu by buo bi am here say me de be ma wonti na ma me hu am frɛ boss enti say me boss na me frɛ no e ba ma wo be feel say yeah we boss am power me so na wo ne me kasa no say you say hey wo boss na wo ne kasa na quickly na no say me dwene ko akira me hu say hey akoi edin ya mede ma ni ya mana ba be hye me so se o sen me free sa da ne ko no me withdraw sa din no me free boss biem boss afi na respect na me wode ma wo na me free boss no na esort na betimi kura free okra. They should not forget say whatever it is no say they go see practical no o si ni pa 30 million na wo Ghana ni nyina ntimi ko tra Supreme Court ho no say ye ko dia semba ko we nti ye ne ye etumi ahye mu se mo nkotena na mo represent ye se mo na mo ye nyame ti se ya sa tumi ne ye dia ma mo no na mo de ko represent ye na mo sa tsa fi de mo de ko ya dia ma na tia ye dia du be bia nkola nketo de be di motem die eni se o kasa tie Supreme Court judges kra o be kasa tie mo because ne ma na e ba no o ma dwene nti se kane no the fact say ne ma e ba dwene nti se kane ni nti no ye hu o mo se o mo mu ade enya ade no o mo mu eye omoni a etintem ehu It be read between the lines, the enye the even though now they are still young. Unlike those days now, and sana obeti se penyini bi obi kasa na obi a wanyini. Na dwumu ye hu ni se wanyini be adwunu woni tirim nti ode oka na afi de emfa. But ne nkola kasa nyansa wo mu. Chachuchi kata equally ogina ho no mo no. See the musi true questions ne ba ni answers ode ma mo no. Equally tells the smart people around say the guy qualifies to be a judge more than all of you, including the Chief Justice. Ye nuru be bia but ye opinion mun ye hu e Supreme Court ho. Say ogina ho na o kasa na mo masem mo judgment ye mo opinion mo be ko she chambers na mo ko decide na mo de aba no right in front of church na mo throw no questions na o answer mo me hu ni say questions na mo bisa no is to show a line say aha na mo to because mo kwa decision corner na mo de ba but the na me ti ase ne say mo ankasa nsem na ankasa no mo premeditate mo decide be bi e kodida na mo mu no emra na ya na mo nti ase nti mo bisa na ma na kirikire mo ye nyem kwala biem ise kwala ni wi ase biem etutu akwan ma ye hu ni ekoso amaman so the fact that anado the appointee wo kotena ho doesn't make you say umfa oman no bibi sisi ya na ye rush na anado be yifum ana ye ku ono nko na oman no mu aju ana bibi to na bibi aju din bagana be wo ho ti the fact that onodo kotena ho does not mean say bibi obe bia no or say ono na wo ye wa adwen say wo protect no ma decisions and protect your mind no and then for mining see rather than say obeka say omba court are ready for them, we'll crash them. When you decide this way, now my decision is called that way. You won't go for one more or so hot in their heart to say a time will come they will say no, we won't sit down meet the cheaters every day. And when they start coming after you guys, and three judges and one you I never know me no ye ho ha ne ye bisa omo ku sa judges na to now ye nya answers na papa je de ewuko no sa nkrofo na eku omo sa time ni nyina no e ma ye nya metimi aka say independent ma Ghana ejira na so besi ene e ye sa nkrofo na eku omo no including those three judges sa 8 head of state line omo up papa je line omo up eku omo ni nyina ni sa 3 judges na eku omo no min kai na busuafo ya but ne no bi koso tinu se no bi koso we na e koso Supreme Court na me hu se no bi koso tia papa je that time na onya ne hu didi mu no na me ka kire obi se wo musoro na ono ne de na mo ka se okunkrofo anka yanko yeku amfa nyini 79 na ama na free prison at that time na enka na no pass 6 o'clock nke Kokun Rollins nti on de nke ku na nka ne ma no nka on be ka sen on de na nkodi on de timi ku no e boa na wo yese okuku aboa no na wo kɔ na wo to fom na se ɔno in self defense no ɔno be nyawo no no kuwa on de ye nya nkyere ntini bodwe ɔkɔtɔ wo se de ne bodwe enya nkyere de ɔnkɔ ɔno so nanke kokuni saa eno nya no hodidi mu no se musa nkɔfo wi se no mo na mo magana nkɔ nanim mo na mo magana ye back and forth saa no line yo mu nyina up ene oku mu nyina no satisfy de ko judges na ebu asansem ni ti ano no yi sa mi nsane free mo eneme no ka say we are still asking questions as to how or who killed those 3 judges. So we Supreme Court na o take decisions bi see akwala keto akra or pay answers from you or bad time ehu say ne wo ye no wa nye ne ye a o say hu say o set a bad precedent na dia to wa mo man no mo yen hwe bibi ye ne yen toto no ma se ne o say ekɔ mo me ma political way no enkata ye ni ne ye nye mistakes say ekoye drawer next match no enkoye easy enfa mo man no 2024 na day ni no be hu na edu ya ma no ma nye yie antoto yie se de me no kasa ne ya 2024 is going to be a deadly year for the country Ghana. The judges must be careful. Those protecting you guys, you know. Ebe do baby no bias no be kwa ma feel na omo akra na ye de omo di mo chi so omo protect mo kra no na mo humba be ye omo hi. They will go against you. Kabila no a rebel leader. Laurent Kabila or someone no a rebel leader. Oni nkrofo no fight ya call ya twa no ho ma later obenya no put no tie officer or tie condition my bonus ya the bodyguard finally on the corner. So we should be careful. We should be very, very, very careful as a nation. Donald Trump. Time we appointed Connie Barrett call Supreme Court. No? Now or anticipate say elections no could lead to Supreme Court. Until nyama many court no say we bibisa akwa obenya many vote. So honest a woman. I said no way. Only case. And transem ni so o se woni case wa me yan kwa ko du ba bi no ebunu mu no beka se o we na mo de buy ne kra wo de to ho na ye kan ye na petition no mo kan ye mo hu se point bi wo ma kire se wa se na o file na emfa na na bogu ye se woni case, including the woman. They were 15 omo nyina troti ya se papa ni case and na oti bench na Joe Biden na di president this year. That's a country of fairness. So me enye careful. Me dey me opinion and dey abeto abonte no. Say yan court ho say ye kohwe the oye best lawyer in Ghana. But rather ye ko say kwa establish who really won the elections. Let's do that and then leave the court. Boko no bianco tranifie. When you pronounce say Mahama lost the elections rather than Adu won and it's affirmed that one or two people will still talk. And so and I'm say the man fairness course untino who can cry one kasana or obi jadi wokan. But the fairness and also it give those people the room to talk more, to incite people the more. I heard somebody say obi obedwin say kubi abetimi say organa biano na na adwon form because gone were the days. I am telling you, we still have the kinds of Rollins and other people in the country. When they are provoked to the max, they will rise up one day. And the Ghana and Dana, you say the beacon of democracy in Africa will go down. Nane Kufuado, adie bia omedi president no oboama o my Ghana e 10 year. Mpempeso bia ono odi mu akotire ma Ghana e 10 year bia no obedi ma mpanyin no oboa ene ye dey say sa no man nyina one after the other. Say demonstration ma obey popular o Ghana ama akoso am ye hu say we are the human rights advocate and need him want here for money to me insurance. That's how not me ban demonstration. Me who say enkoye. So won't my fairness in prevail or court. Because o fele say some many better box ni mo. Ebia ye betimi a interrogating to the extent say no kwani betimi a dead. Nti wo massage how make sure some many better box ni mo. Na say onye no kwafo say the woman Ghana fo hu say wo ye no kwafo wo de wo ye say nti ye ma wo metena ba ndwa ne so no hwe sa brand ye o te office ho no type no mama wo ye fa ni Eugene hwe nsema koso sisi a wo sai ho no no Malam Isa wo chi ni tumu that time concerning $12,000 so say na enuru sika boy idi aye ne properties you know uchi Malam Isa tumu e die pa na waka fa Eugene na semi ho na say na do nya no kwafo say the Ghana for o painti picture na my dey re shewu mu na my feel say wo ba wo dey wo ba and am say wo na wo ma nya freedom of speech wo ka ho na nya freedom of speech criminal libel law wo na wo yi criminal when free wo drafted that law bill no dey call when my pass man be law. There are so many things that you did and need democracy ba o man anymore and ka wo dey na ke ka democracy ka wo di mu tinti my ba said necessary na wo ya na just na wo ye fake that time no na ye ne ya na wo put ni up na ye to me na show sa na wo be ye ne wo pe wo man ni mu o man no nya obi adia o man ni nya sante for dia o man ni nya chim for dia o man ni obi bi adia. I wonder how utimi ba ba mu na wo kase me ba bete Zongo Development Fund, now it's Zongo Ministry. Those people don't understand. Ubetimi akote say what ministry they are marching for. You cannot do that because you see the Achin people as the citizens of Ghana, Achin for the citizens. At Santini be no be accept to say Ubrabeti ministry from Asante for. Because once the Asante man accept the fact that what ministry are mono, just so much to me so minor. You see this northness is so minor. That's why you created a ministry for them. Yempesi ebe chirense mu onwumre. But mumenye careful. Se baby papa ni lidi ye de kono. We need to be rescued by the Supreme Court. He can continue to finish his 8-year term, no problem. You say no one ekoso no, but fairness must prevail. Edamase.